Vraiment tout petit, tout petit. Oh putain. Il est tout petit, tout petit.
They took the whole damn tree down. Oh my god.
Ninh 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 ninh. Phải đâu,ไม่เป็นไรจันฮะจับไหวด้วยระวังพ่อนะจันแจ็ค
打飞嘛，完了完了。When it comes to protecting their young, these giants can turn deadly.
इनको रोड पे चलना है तो धीरे धीरे इनको वॉक कराएंगे
अभी आ गया ले लो ले लो ले लो ले लो ले पीछे да она кусается нет эй зачем рыбу воруешь
It's like a thin green washing veil. There are a lot of sophisticated greenwashing seas out there.
What do you the snake?
ยายพี่ต้องไปข้างทางก่อนยามุดไปไหนแล้วเอ้าเฮ้ยไปแอบตรงไหน
The sheriff rushed to the scene as soon as he heard about the injured eagle. He had no idea how the bird would react, but he was determined to save it at any
FedEx man getting off the bus, getting out of his truck. He don't see these snakes right here. Let's see what happens.
One of those rare times when spending the night outside feels less scary than sleeping in your own bed.
Pójdzie.
Idziesz? To idzie.
Stój malutki.
Zakażenia raczej nie będzie miał.
To dla niego.
One of those rare moments in Georgia when driving on the shoulder isn't a violation, it's the right thing to do.
Ele não sobe. A Monique e o gatinho dentro do
A wild Arizona encounter to remember.
I think I need to go.
No.
That's why I need to go.
No, just leave it.
It's fine.
Saw how terrified the dog was and quickly rushed to pull it out, leaves you from total shock and sheer horror. Dog.
Where you at, pups? Where you at?
Yeah, they harmless. They chill.
Australians find all kinds of things in their homes, including sometimes a 2-meter diamond.
Oh my god. Grabbing something. Oh. I feel bad for recording.
Yeah, no kidding. Come on.
Let go. Let go.
During the fight, the Sri Lanka's elephants are protected by the government, so in situations like this, drivers can only put up with it and wait for the right moment to get away.
He's eating all the person inside the car. Oh God.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
African buffalo know how to defend. Animals often behave the way they do because of human actions. Didn't mind damaging their own home to save a cat that had accidentally fallen in. In 2018, an experienced diver traveled to Brazil for a chance to come face to face. Traffic had to be stopped briefly, giving the duck family enough time to make it to safety. It's amazing that a swimming guide in Namibia spotted a seal with a rope tangled around its neck.
He's gonna break that branch off.
Why?
Probably to get to the leaves at the top.
اللي تمعلم كذا يصير فيه. خلاص بالجوبة هنا. قم. كتر.
Imagine how
Guys, it's a standoff. I don't know what to do. What do I do?
Oi, tamanho desce.
even people who don't care for wrestling could hardly look away from a match this exciting. Speed bump. In sheer audacity. Just look at this South African baboon. He basically decided the whole car belonged to him.
Is that it?
Had no choice but to creep along patiently behind it while the bear casually led the way. Caring for rhinos isn't easy. The moment they get stressed, they can turn into a full-on wrecking machine. Hello, everyone. Just imagine waking up in your tent and seeing this. A lion. Nearby.
Dlatego mówię, poroże się wbija. O. Jeszcze raz. Jeszcze raz.
It's like chaos broke out in a small Indian suburb when an aggressive cobra slithered into a residential. Only a heartless person could walk past such a scene. Luckily, the cameraman wasn't one.
我求你了，来！我操！你他妈把我倒车镜给我整坏了！我的妈！行，拿走。
They're totally beating.
This is a gardener snake den.
He's on the road to Yellow Waters, huge crocodile.
Yeah, your buffalo are very unpredictable. Hey.
Allens and tumbled into the lake. Thankfully, their forced close encounter didn't last long.
Come on. You can get up here. Kan, ayo makan, taktik. Mantap sekali. Hajar dengan.
What is this? Indiana Jones? Like, I don't go.
Merge into a heavy bone plate, and with about a ton of mass, they can launch an attack against almost anything, even a car.
Anh ghé ra anh bảo nó rơi cho xem tí. Có những người kia chưa? Ôi giời ơi.
Я так и думал.
Oh, there it goes.
No.
Fucking cunt. Got one trying to get on the back at the moment.
On va t'amener pour te soigner.
It seemed like fate had deliberately steered him there.
Go the other way, guys.
Какой-то главарь жирный.
Snake.
Like behind you. We call him an rodent control officer. So, yeah. I don't have a name for it because snakes.
Goody.
Seeing a calf lying on the road, the cyclists quickly understood it had tumbled from a cliff. They rescued it and carried it back to its worried mother. Them out. Fishermen discovered that a whale shark had accidentally gotten caught in their net. Knowing that these gentle giants are harmless despite their massive size, the men weren't afraid. But it looks like the snake realized the child wasn't a threat and was simply curious. In August 2025, the city of Chattanooga was hit by a flood. Many people had to leave.
Yeah, better. Come get me.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
African animals can put on a full-blown action scene, even without any predators around. Moment like this, don't forget to give the neighbours a heads up. The troublemaker was confidently strutting down the road, bringing traffic to a halt.
At the Blue Heron Reserve.
What a lucky bird! It got tangled up in some wires, but was rescued, nurtured back to health, and helped recover its strength. This video was filmed on a beach in North Wales in 2015. While out for a walk, a dog named Leia ran too close to the water and wouldn't leave the spot. When her owner Nature may look peaceful, but a deadly menace is much closer. Venomous, but it's definitely enough to scare just about anyone.
Just try and ease her up.
Beyond giving their time and money, they must have infinite patience. Approaching an angry wild boar is dangerous. Still, they had to rescue it, so they had no choice but to take the chance.
I know. Oh my god! Oh, oh my god! Go, 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 go! Yeah.
This man came back for the most important thing of all, his beloved dog.
We'll always see you some smell of video because I tell you what, the odor is atrocious. You don't realize how bad rattlesnakes seem till you get around a bunch of them like this.
Took some effort, since at that point the boar didn't yet understand that it was all for his own good.
Oh, look at the ear.
Oh my goodness, he's chasing us. It's amazing.
This cobra was the largest ever caught in Thailand's Rayong province. Measuring 4.3 meters long, it was not only highly venomous, but also incredibly fast.
I was gonna try to do. Yep, ain't gonna work. I thought I was gonna be really slick. Get her while.
No. Just stop the car. Stop following him up his bottom. I love he had it.
He's going down there.
Oh, just.
Oh, no.
Dog?
Boleh naik tinggi mana? Boleh naik tinggi mana? Bosong tu perutnya tu.
Oi, boleh ni tinggi.
Fighters finally got the horse out.
Super, das war Mission Pferd.
Чего ты? Чего ты? Вот давай.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Wild West style moment in Custer State Park, South Dakota. Motorcyclists will
Good side. You're towing the kayak towards you, you dick. Come on, up you go.
Gonna try and
Thank you kindly. Good night.
unforgettable scenes from the wild.